All right, what are you doing today?
Oh wow, is it on? Hey, so we're here about to film a life change story. I've got my boy CJ here, got my boy Jake on camera, got Connor, Ellie, and David. So just here to capture an amazing story for Canyon Ridge.
Let's see the setup. Show us the setup.
Yeah, so let's go and check out the setup here. So we are shooting with two Sony A7Ss, Model 3. And we've got the Gemini here as our main key source. And then outside of here, we've got the Aperture 300X through a spotlight, through a gobo pattern, shooting through the garage door. And that's why you get that nice little pattern there. And then we've got the GVM motorized slider here. This works wonders. It just creates consistent shots for you. And without an operator, so it's good stuff.
Signing out.
Signing out.